Hi, I'm Holly Silva and I've been a crafts expert for 15 years. Today I'm going to show you how to DIY checkered racing flag crafts. Here I have a bunch of little squares that I cut out of black construction paper and also another square piece of white construction paper to base the back of the flag. Now, of course, I went ahead and did this beforehand because it is pretty time consuming. This is something you want to do to keep the kids busy. But all you do really is cut out squares, even squares, as square as possible, meaning all four sides are even, and just dab a little bit of Elmer's glue to either side of it, either meaning one side of the square, and just start out at it from corner to corner. Now, when I started this, it's much easier to start at one corner and do from corner to corner to corner to corner to corner diagonally down the card or diagonally down the paper. And then you can just work your pattern out that way and then just keep going, maybe diagonal and then across and then just fill in from there. That's usually the easiest way to do it because it can be a little bit confusing. Now I do have a popsicle stick. And we take the popsicle stick and line it with some Elmer's glue as well, only about halfway down, and take your checkered flag. Now you're going to fill both sides with the squares, so make sure you do that because it's not a legitimate checkered flag without both sides being full of squares, right? Both sides being checkered. And you just add that to the corner there. And there you have it. That is how you DIY a craft using a checkered racing flag. See you next time.